If you want to enable Samsung DeX via cable on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then in this case you need to use a USB-C to HDMI cable or some sort of adapter that simply allows you to connect to the HDMI port with your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In my case, this cable is already connected to my TV, so in order to start using Samsung DeX, I just need to connect it over here to my phone. There we go. And now we have the instruction that allows us to figure out how to use the touchpad. And of course, remember to change the HDMI output on your TV, if you use TV, of course. And that is pretty much it. Of course, you can also go ahead and check out, for example, the DeX button in the in quick settings. And as you can see, white DeX is enabled in here, which just confirms that, of course, now DeX is in use. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.